You know what, guys? I was very angry at Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu, especially that Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos and Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu. RM was right. Rodrigo Baham Hernando Roa Duterte and Ali Aldrin Manasalas Khamenei are true heroes. They are true winners. What about you, Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos and Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu? All of you are bangag. Bangag. That's why. Bangag. Especially Jonathan especially to Jonathan Jonathan especially Jonathan Jetro Lopez Netanyahu, even Ferdinand Manuel Luis Antonio Marcos Sr., they are bangag. Bangag, that's why bangag. You know what? I am a pro Duterte and I am a pro Khamenei. And I am very angry at the Netanyahu and Marcos regime. They are Zionists, they are bullies, they are bangag. And I am very angry at the Marcos loyalists and Netanyahu supporters. I am very angry at Ilocanos. For me, Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos and Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu resign. Millions of Filipinos, millions of Israelis are angry at both of you for what they did to the Palestinians, for what they did to the Bangsamoro. And that PCMC, that hospital of Ferdinand Manuel Luis Antonio Marcos Sr. is stupid. A project, even the Manila Film Center, even San Juanico Bridge, even Philippine Heart Center are very stupid. And martial law is stupid by Marcos. I am very angry to all millions of Duterte supporters. Even my Malaysian friends and Palestinian friends who were pro-Palestine or pro-Iran, even Indonesians, even Syrians and Lebanese, even who admire Ali Khamenei, even all of my Russian friends who admire Vladimir Putin, especially the millions of the around the world are pro Duterte or pro Mansour Abbas, who wants to be a prime minister of Israel and kick out that Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu. And I praise Mansour, Gio Malana Abbas, and Rodrigo Baham Hernando Roa Duterte. Is this what you see? Look at look at Vladimir, Tito Mac Balingit Putin. Even Ali Aldrin Manasalas Khamenei. They are smart, they are rough, they are strong. Just like I said before, even Rodrigo Baham Hernando Roa Duterte is strong, rough, tough, and rogue. That's why RM was right. Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos and Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu are abnormal and bangag. That's why bangag, bobo, both of you are piece of shit. Both of you are motherfuckers. Mga putang ina kayo. Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos and Benjamin Jordan Bunagan Netanyahu. Sorry for my bad words in English and Tagalog because Paula Nunez will watch this. Because I know, look at Paula Nunez, look at RM, they're pro Duterte. Lawrence Villawan, pro Duterte. Jens Manaib, pro Duterte. Millions of Filipinos are pro Duterte. Is this what you want? Sangkay Janjan? And even you, Nino Barsaga? I really hate Marcos. I really hate Netanyahu.